Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on FAZE Holdings, ticker FAZE. So right now we're currently sitting around 50 cents. Again, this is recorded one day in advance, but probably won't have too much of a difference, so it shouldn't really matter. So yeah, currently sitting at 54 cents. Now, from a long-term chart, so obviously this is 6 month on the left, 1 year on the right. This stock has really, at least for the time being, become untradeable. And the reason for that is our first deviation on both the 6 month and the 1 year is at $3.10 to around $3.35. So how I would normally trade it is I have to wait until this area, and then the first time I come into it, looking to play the pullback / reversal. If we came back to test it for a second time, it's waiting for the breakthrough, come back to test it as a support, then playing direction. Now, big move from where we are now to even get close to that requires about 450% move. So again, all the strategy is being patient. So cool, I can have an alert out waiting for it to kind of push up to that kind of level, but likelihood of it doing that anytime soon, not all that high. And again, it's just kind of one of those stocks, and these are ones I don't like to trade all that much unless I'm trading them short bias. And the reason for that is, I think one of the big misconceptions we kind of always see in the market is, oh, it's down 90%, it can't get cheaper. But if you really look at the charts, they do. Most of these charts, if they go down, they continue to fall. The cheap stocks get cheaper. And that's kind of one of the main things. I don't really like trading these unless I'm trading the direction, which is short bias. So unless it comes to $3, not really something I'm looking to trade. Now, maybe you are potentially in the stock now. You kind of want to know levels closer to where we are now. So what we can quickly do for that is go over to a 20-day and a 30-day chart, because this will give us levels actually closer to where we are now. And then we can see support and resistance from that perspective. So 52-week low, all-time low, 48 cents. We have support levels at 43 and 39 cents. So if we came down, again, potential bounces. But like I said, it's not something I would ever want to be long bias on a stock like this. If it pushes to the upside, again, could be using targets at around 62 cents if we break that 75. But again, maybe even potential shorts just off these levels. But really, I think trading it on these shorter terms, unless you're maybe in the stock now and it's just finding targets to where to kind of jump out, not something I'll be looking at all. Again, it would just be like I am with these small caps if I trade them, which again is quite rare. I prefer the large caps. But if I was trading them, it's just really being patient. Again, going back to those longer term charts. So again, the 6 month and the 1 year chart, and just really waiting for it to come to these higher levels if it can at all. And that's really when, to me, there is trading opportunity. I think now it's just forcing stuff and really just trying to buy it because it's cheap. But again, they tend to get cheaper. I think more times than not, it's a losing strategy just to buy something at a 52-week low because it's at a 52-week low. Anyway, that is the breakdown over on FAZE. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.